Hello all, this is Dr. Dheeraj Masapu and welcome to my channel. This is a small story about a young boy who wanted to become a doctor. Watch the video till the end to know what karma is. Once upon a time, there was a young boy who was happily playing with his friends and enjoying his life. One day, his grandfather had become sick, and the young boy accompanied his grandfather to a local doctor. And local doctor has given some medicines, and the grandfather became better. That day, the boy decided to become a doctor in future. Since then, his only ambition and aim in his life is to become a doctor and do good to the people. He worked very hard, day and night. He studied and he got seat in the best medical school in India. He graduated with MBBS and later he studied even more harder to get PG seat and he did MD anesthesia. He's learning the tips and tricks from a senior anesthetist. It's a rainy night. Doctor was working in the emergency department. An ambulance arrives at the emergency. Inside the ambulance, there was an old man who suffered a road traffic accident, and our doctor had to attend the patient. After attending the patient, doctor realized that the patient is in a critical condition, and immediately he started resuscitation. He has taken the IV line and he started cardiac medications, and all the supportive drugs have been given, and he even called for help of other doctors, and together as a team they tried resuscitating the old man. They even had to use electric shocks to revive his heart. He tried and tried all the means to resuscitate the old man, but he couldn't do it. Later on, he went to the patient's daughter who accompanied the old man to explain the situation, that he has tried his best but he couldn't save. A vehicle arrived to the hospital. From the vehicle, patient's son and his friends came to visit his father, and the doctor explained that he tried his best but he couldn't save his father. Immediately, the patient's son and his friends had hit the doctor badly and thrown him on the ground. When they were hitting, doctor was trying to tell something, but they didn't listen. At the same time, a valet fell down beside the doctor, and doctor was on the ground. After a week's time, patient's son, after he came out of the grief, realized that hitting a doctor is a criminal offense and he might have to go to jail for 3-year period. Realizing this, he went to hospital to tell sorry to the doctor. He met the security and inquired about the doctor. The security told that the doctor is not seen in the hospital since the incident. Then he got scared and he went to the local police station to inquire if any complaint was given about the incident, and the police told that a complaint was given, but it was withdrawn on the next day. Patient's son got shocked. Why was it withdrawn on the next day? After that, 30 years have passed. The patient's son had become an old man now, and he started having a serious problem. He is suffering with very severe back pain, and the spine surgeon suggested surgery for him to get relief from the pain. But during the anesthesia checkup, they found that he has a serious cardiac problem, due to which they cannot give anesthesia to him. The pain is so severe that he was getting suicidal tendencies because he was not able to bear the pain. At the same time, one of his friends suggested that there was one anesthesia doctor in another hospital who has done similar cases in the past, and told him to visit that doctor. When he went to visit, the anesthetist was sitting and reading something in the computer. After looking at the anesthetist, he was shocked. He was the same person whom they had hit 30 years back. But he decided not to tell him, and luckily even the anesthetist didn't recognize the patient's son. So he spoke to him and explained the risks associated with the anesthesia, and he told he will go ahead if he is okay with the risk. And they went ahead for the surgery. The surgery went on well. During the surgery, the heart parameters like blood pressure and other parameters were maintained very well by the anesthetist, and patient was shifted to the post-operative ward and is pain-free now. He went to the anesthetist before getting discharged to tell him that he is very happy now and he wants to thank the anesthetist. Anesthetist told him that take the medicines properly so that his cardiac condition will not deteriorate in future. He told sure doctor, and he left. Before leaving, the anesthetist called him and patient's son turned back. That time he has given his wallet to patient's son. Looking at the wallet, he realized that the anesthetist remembers patient's son, and he told he is extremely sorry for what happened 30 years back. And he did not think much before doing the incident. But he wanted to know one thing: why did he withdraw the complaint from police? Then the anesthetist told that he inquired about him, and he came to know that the patient's son is actually working for an NGO which is helping poor children to learn computers. And then he realized even he is a good man, and he withdrew the complaint. Then he asked one more last question. He was trying to tell something when they were hitting. What was that? Then the doctor told that night when your father arrived to the emergency, he was brought dead. After connecting the monitors, there is no electrical activity and the ECG is flat. Normally, no doctor would resuscitate such patient, but I tried my best to revive him. This is what I was trying to tell that day. Hearing this, the old man and patient's son became emotional and he cried a lot. And he told he is extremely sorry for what has happened that day. Then he asked one question. Knowing all this, why did you accept to give anesthesia now? Then he told that whatever patients do to us, doctors are always good and they always want good to happen to their patients. And doctors always love their patients. If you like the story, share the story to multiple people and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for listening to the story till the end.